message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Division of Emergency Management. This is an immediate evacuation order requested by the Texas Division of Emergency Management. High flooding is occurring near the Sabine River. Low-lying areas of Shelby and Panola County should evacuate. Rainfall totals have risen over the past few days. Keep medication, clothing, pets, and cash. If you want more information on this emergency, you can reach out to county officials and emergency management. Remember, if you encounter flooded roads, turn around, don't drown.